When comparing ServiceNow versus Kayako, many businesses want to know which help desk software is the best for their needs. Both are popular options, but which one truly stands out? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform is better for your team and why one might be more effective than the other. Let's dive in, starting with ServiceNow. This tool is an enterprise-level solution known for its robust set of features. It offers an extensive range of IT service management capabilities, which make it a go-to choice for larger organizations. ServiceNow excels in automation and workflow management, providing customizable options for everything from incident management to asset management. It's highly scalable, which is perfect if your company is growing and you need something that can expand with you. But on the flip side, ServiceNow can be a bit overwhelming for smaller teams. The complexity of its setup can lead to a steep learning curve. If you don't have a dedicated IT team to set it up and manage it, you might find the initial onboarding process to be a challenge. And then there's the cost. ServiceNow is not the most budget-friendly option out there, which could be a deal breaker for smaller businesses or startups looking for a more affordable solution. Next, let's talk about Kayako. Kayako is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's a more intuitive platform that caters to small to medium-sized businesses, making it a good option if you're looking for a straightforward help desk solution without the complexity of ServiceNow. Kayako offers multi-channel support, including live chat, email, and social media, all in one place, making it easier for your team to engage with customers across different platforms. However, Kayako does come with its own drawbacks. While it's easier to use, it's also somewhat limited in terms of advanced customization and automation compared to ServiceNow. If your company meets highly tailored workflows or more in-depth IT service management features, Kayako might feel too basic. And while the interface is user-friendly, it can sometimes lack the flexibility that larger businesses need for more complex operations. The third thing to consider is integrations. ServiceNow has an extensive library of integrations, especially with other enterprise tools, which is one of the reasons it's favored by large organizations. However, setting up these integrations can be time-consuming and require technical expertise. Kayako, on the other hand, offers a more streamlined process for connecting with third-party apps. For businesses that rely heavily on integrations, Kayako could be more user-friendly in this area. Moving on to the fourth point, customer support. ServiceNow provides a high level of support, but it can be slow at times, especially when dealing with technical issues. Since it's an enterprise-grade solution, getting immediate assistance isn't always guaranteed. Kayako's support is more accessible and tends to offer quicker responses, which can be a game changer for small businesses that need to resolve issues fast. Finally, let's address pricing. ServiceNow's pricing structure is generally higher than Kayako's, which is an important consideration. While ServiceNow offers a vast range of features, it's a significant investment. Kayako is generally more affordable, offering pricing tiers that suit businesses with smaller budgets, but still want a quality help desk solution. Now, both of these tools are solid choices, but here's the twist. While ServiceNow and Kayako each have their strengths, after trying both myself, I believe there's a better alternative out there for teams looking for a more efficient and flexible help desk solution. If you want to get the best experience with none of the hassle, you should check out the link in the description for a free trial of a platform that's a perfect blend of everything you need. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best trial and benefits that are only available to viewers of this channel. Trust me, if you're serious about improving your help desk operations, this option is worth exploring.